Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So we're going to take this back bulb out. Take a flat blade tool over here on this side. You can get the tool in here, pry it down, and that cover will come off. And there's the bulb right there. You can grab the bulb with your fingers, just pull it down, just like that. This is a SV8 bulb, so we're gonna reinstall this bulb. Just take it, line it up, and push it in. Make sure it's in the tabs good. And these two little tabs on this cover go back here, and then you can push up in the front, and those are in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.